For pretty much all of our clients, we will start a new QuickBooks account, usually because they're coming to us for a reason. They were doing their bookkeeping in Excel or maybe a smaller software, or maybe it's just sort of a mess. So it's really nice to start over in QuickBooks. We'll just set up a brand new subscription. And I think it sounds more daunting than it is. It sounds like, oh my goodness, I have to pull all this prior data into QuickBooks, but it's not. It's very simple. What we do is we start with your most recent tax return, and we'll be pulling all those balances from your tax return onto your balance sheet, so all your fixed asset balances. And then the next step is you're going to connect your bank and your credit card feeds to QuickBooks. And you're also going to pull in your opening bank balances, your credit card balances, and your loan balances, and you'll book those just with a simple journal entry on your balance sheet. And then you probably have to bring in any other opening balances on the balance sheet for any other accounts, such as equity, or maybe like there's an other asset or something. But once you have that all set up with just a few simple journal entries, then you can just get going with the current year transactions that are coming through the bank feed, booking those, and you're good to go for the year. And it's so nice to just have a clean QuickBooks with everything organized properly, and it just makes things a lot easier.